Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Why is it important to take good care of our eyes? Have you ever taken a good look at them? The eyes that you see the world through them, the eyes that let you do your daily stuff easily. Just imagine a complete pitch-black world for a second. It's scary, isn't it? Eyes are the most sensitive part of the human body. They provide you with more than 70% of the information about your surroundings. At the same time, they are at the risk of so many different environmental threats. Taking good care of your eyes is a lot easier than curing the disease you might get. Because sometimes it's not possible, and a lot of times you're at the risk of losing your eyesight forever. So how do we take a good care of our eyes? One of them is by having a good and balanced diet, like vitamins, especially vitamin A. Where do we get this though? In liver, egg yolk, high-fat milk, butter, fish liver oil, also in some herbs such as spinach, lettuce, and vegetables like carrots and squash, and in yellow and orange foods such as apricots, persimmons, bananas, and melons, and citrus fruits. So to make it short, in a lot of places, there are a lot of different fruits that provide good materials for our body and help us having healthier eyes. So do not forget to eat properly. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and care more about those beautiful eyes of yours.